Welcome back to our maths class, children. Next chapter, chapter 11. Algebra. Next chapter we are going to discuss is algebra. Variable. Now, what is a variable? Variable means something that can change or something that vary. Okay, it is not a fixed value. Okay, it is not a fixed quantity. Okay, it can change or it can vary. Okay, and usually variables, they are denoted by small letter English alphabets. Okay, so see, a variable may be represented by any letter of the alphabet. Okay, so the word variable means something that can vary, that is something that can change. Okay, it is not a fixed value. It can take different values, say 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, so variable can take any numerical value and it is not a fixed value, it can change. Okay, look at some of the examples of variables. Okay, so 6 plus n. Okay, here what is the variable? N is the variable. Okay, next one, t plus 10. Okay, so small letter t plus 10. What is the variable there? T is the variable. Clear? Now 6 minus z. Okay, so 6 minus z, which is the variable there? Z is the variable. Clear? B minus 20. So in that case the variable is b. Okay, now below that can you see a table? A variable can change or vary. Example n. Okay, so in that table n plus 5. Okay, so in that n plus 5, which is the variable? N is the variable. Okay, now see, n, some values are given. The values n1, you can look into this. N is given as 1, 3, 5 and 10. Okay, in n plus 5, when you put n is equal to 1, okay, first when you put n is equal to 1 in this, so 1 plus 5, so you get 6 there. Clear? Now next one, n is equal to 3, you have to put n is equal to 3, so 3 plus 5, so 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, the next case n is equal to 5. Okay, so when you put n is equal to 5 in n plus 5, okay, so in n plus 5, when you put n is equal to 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, same way next one, you have to put n is equal to 10. Okay, so when you put n is equal to 10, so 10 plus 5 you get 15. Okay, so what is happening here? N is keeping on changing, the variable is changing. When the variable changes, I told you it is not fixed, it changes, no? So depending on the value of the variable, you will get your answer. Okay, and it is not a fixed quantity, it is changing like 1, 3, 5, 10, it is changing. When the value of the variable changes, your answer also changes. Okay, so it is not a fixed quantity, it is a quantity that can vary, that is called a variable. Clear? Now consider a number 5. Okay, what is that 5? Only 5 you are having. It is a number. Okay, so and it is a fixed value. It is not changing. It is a fixed value. Okay, so now you some more examples for fixed value I am telling. Okay, the number of angles of a triangle. How many angles you have? 3 angles, no? So it is a fixed quantity. Yes or no? It does not change. So that is an example for fixed value. Okay, so variable, they are not fixed. What is an expression? Okay, we saw what is a variable. Now coming to expression. Expressions are a set of numbers that are related to one another by the use of operator symbols that represent a mathematical situation. Okay, it has no equal to sign. It can only be simplified unless given the value of the variable. Okay, I will explain it with a example, okay, so that you will understand it better. Now look at this example, x plus 10. Okay, so in x plus 10, okay, X is there and 10 is there. X is a variable. Yes, 10 is a number. Okay, so they are related. X plus 10, they are related by a arithmetic operator symbol. Means there are 4 arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, here the arithmetic operation used is, or the operator symbol used here is addition. Okay, so x plus 10 is an example of an expression. Okay, now I will give you another example. Okay, another example, say y minus 3. Okay, in this case y is the variable. Okay, y minus 3 is an expression. What is the operator symbol or arithmetic operation used here? Minus, subtraction. Okay, so y, okay, we read this as y minus 3. Okay, what it is? Y minus 3. Okay, so y minus 3 is an expression. Clear, children? So an expression will not have an equal to sign. Okay, so we have expression with numbers also. So here 5 into 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2. This is an expression with only numbers. Okay, there is no variable in this. Okay, since there is no variable, we call it as an expression with numbers. Okay, it is an expression with only numbers. This is an example for expression with numbers.